Go to the residence lounge. Ay, wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the life of the Kat Pamor. Guys, introducing the beauty is a super beauty of Phnom Penh with our palace. Charing. The skyline pigeon fly of Phnom Penh. Ang ganda oh. Wow, super wow raru. This is the wing. The wing. The wing. Wow, look at this. Buong Phnom Penh na. Makikita sa Somerset. Nakakaloki. Grabe ang massive. Look at Phnom Penh now. 2026. Shala. This is the new epitome of New York. Just Shalom.